Hey there, content creators. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to supercharge your YouTube videos with two incredible tools, ChatGPT and Canva. If you're looking to create eye-catching titles, descriptions, and thumbnails that grab attention and boost your video's visibility, then you're in the right place. We'll be covering everything from generating engaging content ideas to designing stunning thumbnails that will make your videos stand out on YouTube. So let's dive in. Generating video titles, descriptions, tags, and keywords using ChatGPT. First up, let's talk about how to generate powerful video titles, descriptions, tags, and keywords using ChatGPT. This tool is an absolute game changer for anyone looking to optimize their YouTube content. Here's why it's so important. Titles help you capture your audience's attention and improve your search ranking. A good title is short, catchy, and contains the main keywords your audience is searching for. Descriptions give you the space to provide more details about your video. They should include key points covered in the video, a call to action, and additional keywords for better SEO. Tags and keywords are crucial for helping YouTube understand what your video is about. They improve your video's discoverability and help it reach the right audience. Now let's see how ChatGPT can help us create all this. First, open ChatGPT and enter a clear and detailed prompt. For example, generate YouTube video titles, descriptions, tags, and keywords for a tutorial on creating a digital art tutorial video. ChatGPT will then provide several suggestions that you can choose from. Ask ChatGPT to generate a few potential titles like this. Give me 5 catchy titles for a digital art tutorial video. Look for titles that are concise, intriguing, and include your main keywords. Pick the one that best represents your video content. Creating descriptions. Next, ask ChatGPT for a video description. Make sure it includes an introduction, the main topics covered, and a call to action like don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember, your description should not only describe the video, but also include those all-important keywords. Optimizing tags and keywords. Get a list of relevant tags and keywords from ChatGPT by asking, generate tags and keywords for a digital art tutorial on YouTube. Use a mix of specific and broad terms to maximize your reach. Once you have your titles, descriptions, and tags ready, it's time to move on to the visual side of things with Canva. Designing thumbnails with Canva. Now let's jump into creating an eye-catching thumbnail with Canva. Thumbnails are the first thing people see, and a good one can make or break your video's performance. Here's how to design one that's sure to catch the viewer's eye. Search on canva.com. Start by logging into Canva and selecting the YouTube thumbnail template. There are hundreds of designs to choose from, so pick one that suits your video's theme. Look for something bright, bold, and easy to customize. Step 2. Customizing the template. Once you've chosen a template, it's time to make it your own. Add a relevant background image or color. You can upload your own images or use Canva's extensive library. Make sure the image you choose is related to your video content and visually appealing. Step 3. Adding text and effects. Now let's add some text. Choose a clear, bold font and keep your message short and sweet. Something like "Learn Digital Art" or "Beginner's Guide" works well. Position the text so it's easy to read and stands out against the background. You can add effects like shadows or outlines to make it pop even more. Step 4. Incorporating branding. If you have a logo or specific brand colors, don't forget to include them. This helps create consistency across your channel and makes your videos easily recognizable. Step 5. Final touches and downloading. Double-check everything. Is the text readable? Is the image clear? Once you're happy with your design, click Download and choose the PNG format for the best quality. Now you have a professional-looking thumbnail ready to grab attention. Finally, with all your elements ready, it's time to put them together on YouTube. By uploading your video, entering the title and description, add tags, upload your thumbnail, and set your video settings. And that's it. You've now learned how to use ChatGPT to generate optimized video content and Canva to design stunning thumbnails. By following these steps, you'll make your videos more discoverable and visually appealing, which is key to growing your channel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on how to improve your YouTube game. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.